Hello everyone, Matt Yakovit, Head of Open Source Strategy here at Percona, to invite you to Percona Community Live. What is Percona Community Live? It's our online event that's following up from our in-person event. Many of you couldn't make the event in person. Many of you wanted to speak but just couldn't make it there or just missed the cut on the original CFP. So we've got a call for papers open right now if you did miss it. We've reached out to those who couldn't attend. We've invited them to speak on topics that they wanted to talk about. We're going to fill this up with 3 days of great content, all free, all online, all streaming on your favorite locations. If you're interested in speaking, there is a link below. Go ahead and submit a quick form. We'll be happy to reach out to you. And for those who are just interested in attending, we hope to see you June 21st through June 23rd for this outstanding event, virtually all over the world. There's going to be all kinds of great stuff going on. I may even be giving away some hats. Who knows what craziness is going to happen during this time period? We hope you'll show up and join us.